Naomi Home presents the button tufted futon sofa bed assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This futon comes as shown with straight lines, smooth finish, and minimal button tufts. To get started, place a washer onto each of your 4 legs. Then attach the 4 legs onto the assembly by turning clockwise. Finally, pull up the backrest until it clicks in place. Push forward and gently place down to convert into a bed. And there you have it. Your button tufted futon sofa bed is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.